Okay. Hello everybody, and welcome to Goto 10, and hello to people online. Very welcome to today's event brought to you by Linköping's Toastmasters. First time here, very excited to have them here for their event at Goto 10. Just a little bit about me. My name's Aaron. I work with the events here at Goto 10. And a bit about Goto 10, we are run by Internetstiftelsen. These are the ones behind Goto 10. We are a co-working space and an event space. And it's for a community of like-minded, curious people who want to learn more stuff. We're all about knowledge sharing and also supporting digitalization. Internetstiftelsen, they get their revenues. They take revenues from the .sc.nu for internet domains, and they do a lot of work as in giving back to society and helping with digital education, digital literacy, and of course the Goto 10s as well. So we're open from 8 to 4:30. If you'd like to become a member, you're very welcome, and we'd love to have you here. And hope you all have a great evening. And I'm now going to pass you on to Lasse, who's going to say a few words and introduce today's event. Yeah, well, I think we're on the clock now, so
I don't know if we're on with
we should be. Yeah, I will go and check. Let's see.
yeah. So we're watching the delay.
Maybe 5 minutes late.
Mm.
Wow, I'm take a screencast.
Hi mom on TV. Yes.
Jag har 2 stycken evaluatorer till dig.
Okej. Ja, perfekt. Härligt. Ja. Var kritiska.
Ja. Men ni ska vara snälla också. Vet du. Ja.
Mm, yeah, I just switched to Swedish without even notice. Yeah. Please be critical. Should we wait for Paulina?
Ja,
I don't know. Yeah, but she was with us the first time here, so she should know the place. I text her. I'm not sure. Is your microphone on?
now Aaron said that he should put it on whenever I need it. So it's green, but now Aaron said that it should be.
Hello, hello. Is this on?
I turned this one off because you're speaking, right?
Yeah, can we turn it on like for the cold talk? Just as we were waiting for Paulina.
This one. Now it's on.
Oh, okay, great. Oh, you have one. Okay.
Ja, men Men,
Ja.
titta nu kommer Paulina.
Grymt.
Ska vi...
Hi. Hi. No, it's nowhere. We're already live. Yeah.
Ja. Vidare.
Yes.
Should we take these two to take evaluation for my speech?
Yeah.
Yeah? You two. You will evaluate my speech. You can take a pen and pencil. No. And Soleil will be the...
Hi.
Soleil will be the evaluator for Chen. Yeah.
You don't. You can't hear us. Okay.
And also Vida.
Ja.
Vida.
Ja.
Yeah. Vida. I can be the backup quiz master.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
But
right.
I don't have any coins with me tonight.
I got enough.
You got enough.
Yeah. I can bring some
Yeah.
next week.
Yeah.
Yeah, Soleil, can you hear us? Do you hear us? Okay. I guess my body language.
Yeah. Your body language. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
30 seconds. Whenever I hear you, I will tell you, but not now.
And she also,
Yeah, black magic design. Can you hear us now?
she should be coming through.
Did you understand everything? Yeah. Good. And also, Paulina, here. No, it's for you. Next meeting. I printed it out.
Can you hear us? Can you hear us? I don't think so. But we got it to work last time.
I know,
Was it something here?
because we had the USB-C in, right? So,
Yeah.
and the sound, the sound should be going through.
And this one's still.
Paulina,
So,
did you understand that I'm going to use Peter? Personal development. Have you heard Help? Have you heard the Beatles song Help?
I go to like general sounds.
It's about
Oh,
Help.
yeah, Soleil.
help. I need
Soleil?
somebody, not just anybody. And it's
Yeah,
about
I think that's easy.
growing step by step. It's it's we are talking about we're talking about you're growing step by step.
Can you hear me through the laptop?
Yeah, I turned this one on.
So it's about
Hey, Soleil.
growing step by step. We're talking about anecdotes. that you are
Yeah, this is the laptop sound right
that
now.
you should be humble.
So
that you are not humble.
we're
in
trying
the
to get the
beginning,
microphone to work.
But you should, the more humble you are, the better leader you are. And then we should, yeah. And then the Beatles song is perfect. And I'm going to quote
I love
that
the
song
sausage
also.
song.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, but that's been there for a while. Or to have the microphone. I mean, it worked yesterday.
Because this should be coming, the sound should be coming through
You
the
think?
system.
Have you gotten this one?
Right, I mean, if I go to sound, right, when you see if I go here,
Yeah.
I can't
You
change
can get
anything.
another one. Yeah. I printed a lot
But that
out.
one?
Yeah.
Maybe if I go like this, won't let me change it.
Maybe something got messed up when we changed the account.
I need to try a different laptop, to be honest. That's not going to work.
Yeah, but that was there yesterday as well. I don't
Well, we
think
got
that.
it to work yesterday. We tried on this laptop, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it was through the Zoom.
But then,
I mean,
Paulina,
is it
when you
going
are
through the?
tabletop master, you can use a hand
I
mic.
need another laptop.
Yeah. There. What? No. It's not
Aaron,
not an
the computer.
No, yeah.
The computer thing says off. Like
But,
that one says off. I don't know if that.
No.
We are not having like in sensors.
Okay.
The camera follows you, but no. But yeah. But doesn't it look professional? Yeah. Yeah. But but it hurts in my ear. Yeah.
Like mine
Yeah.
is too trashy to use.
No problem. No, you should have a little pain. No problem. Yeah. No.
Shen, do you have USB-C on your laptop? Yeah, can we use it? Like just regular USB-C?
Yeah.
Windows need to be activated. Hate when that happens.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so perfect, right. So if I just, yeah, this is the connection I need. Let's see if, yeah. So, and then
But
we'll have to have,
you talked
meeting
about
right here.
Oh, okay.
when we are fixing the files for the pod. I will check the software you.
I mean, I don't know why, but
Suggested.
we had it yesterday.
Yeah.
But today
Yeah.
it's not really working.
Yeah. But I
I
have
think it's in the back.
an Adobe.
I don't have it.
You don't have it.
Yeah, I don't have
Adobe.
it. Yeah, so you don't
Yeah, Adobe.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. I just asked about the USB-C.
At my job.
I love that we're like recording this.
Adobe Premiere Pro.
It's amazing.
No, but I think it's correct.
Yeah, it's live and direct. I mean, it's the first time we're doing it, so
Yeah, but
it's
no
supposed to go to
problem.
hell,
Yeah,
right?
but it's no problem.
No, I just talked to Saurab. So yeah, I've totally forgot about the WhatsApp groups. That was my mistake. Yeah, that's incredibly stupid.
Yeah.
Not to talk to them. Maybe yeah, I can write them right now. Yeah, right now. Great. Yeah.
But if I sent messages to him from Bahrain. Yeah, he was there the last meeting.
Yeah. Did he reply?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Saurab
Yeah,
is a friend of mine. Yeah.
Yeah. So I asked Saurab directly, but he invited.
This and into that laptop again. Maybe this will work.
Okay, can we try with yours?
I don't
Was
have
it?
that.
But I think that's a.
USB-C, so I can put the HDMI and this and that.
What year are you going?
Second year.
Second. You too? Yeah. Yeah.
Where did this go again? Was it around this side?
A master.
Yeah, I think it's
okay.
here.
Oh, so yeah, I have to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Sweden we have this civil.
What's the Wi-Fi code?
Yeah.
Datobixa.
Yeah.
DATORBY XA.
Oh, wait.
I can type it in as faster because DAT.
Okay, we're
Yeah.
sharing your screen now. Just for your information. So I hope you don't got some shady shit going on.
The taste for game is good. I gotta say.
You
What?
get master of
Really like dark sauce games.
Oh yeah,
master
yeah.
of science.
Great taste.
Yeah.
We can have like AI or
Maybe we can finish it now.
industrial.
Okay, now we open it.
Yeah, but I'm a master of science in industrial economics. Yeah.
Where can I find a link to the Zoom meeting? Can you send me?
And I am
I sent you the code.
The Discord.
4 years after that, and then I started my own
I sent,
company.
in Discord. Okay.
But for the code, can you
No,
just, like, say?
actually,
But it's a password as
I
well.
when my research
Can we
I
stop share her screen?
used to start my own company, so I didn't finish my my
Yeah, we care.
no I didn't no
Yeah,
yeah,
but it's still sharing there.
What's that?
No,
It's still sharing
but
there. Can we
but
stop sharing her screen somehow?
But nobody. It's not
I
streaming.
thought it was
Ah,
too
from-
boring to
okay,
make
yeah, that's right.
make the thesis.
Discord?
Yeah,
Yeah, wait,
Yeah.
I'll send it.
but it was
But he didn't like.
it was great.
He didn't. He sent
Yeah.
you on the Discord.
I'll send it in the general chat.
Company
You
did
have to open your
um,
Discord by yourself.
help people to grow as persons. My company was called Nyx. It was taking people from chaos to dawn. Wasn't it? Yeah. And the Nyx is a Greek
Wait.
goddess.
Yeah, wait.
She
It's
was
coming now.
daughter to chaos, but mother to dawn.
In
So
the
it
in
was
the agenda
very
master.
innovative. Yeah,
So-
yeah. So it took people from chaos to dawn.
How did you
It was a great company. Yeah,
For the power, you mean?
yeah, precisely. Holy shit! Yeah, yeah. No, but it was very fun.
Where do you work now?
Now I'm working as a graphical designer. I'm going to tell you that. So that's why I've done this also. Yeah.
Okay, can you hear us now, Paulina? Soleil. Soleil. Hello. Can you hear us?
Yes.
Oh, you hear us? Yes.
Can we start? Yeah.
Yes. Let's go.
Can I check something? So I'll start the video, or do not.
Vidare.
Yep.
Because you know which one is, because I should have the option for the black magic design now, because now we have the USB-C.
This is for the video.
Yeah, so that one,
So
and
it
then
has to
the
change to like the black magic design if you have it. BMD, HDMI, yeah. So see where, if you go down to this one, it's either this one or the one below it. So if somebody talks on Zoom to Soleil talks now, we should be able to hear it through the speakers.
Soleil, do you hear us?
Yes, and I can see.
Wow.
But,
We hear you
Can we
too.
start?
you should not
That's great.
do the background blur.
What?
And then the video now has to change to the same.
The background should not be
Okay.
blurred.
Come again?
Can I change the video? So this is a video, right? This also has to go to black magic design.
Yeah. I love it that your entire conversation, like Lasse's part of your entire conversation, is on the stream. Yeah. So funny. And you started to whisper, but it still made it through. Yeah, that's amazing.
What?
Hopefully there's nothing private.
I mean, it's a great start.
Yeah, but no problem. Everything starts with chaos. Like, yeah, no problem. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we used this place computer to do the
Yeah.
hosting of the Zoom meeting. Like it worked yesterday, but like today it didn't work. They need to activate their Windows. I think that's the reason. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but it will be fun. Yeah,
Yeah. So now we'll have it set up for next time. So
no problems.
yeah.
It will be fun. So no problem.
So I don't know. We'll just have to use this. We got it working perfectly yesterday, but
Yeah.
so all that effort,
Yeah.
So this is.
And we prepared
Yeah.
beforehand today as well. But what are you trying to set up right now?
Just the video the same. It won't work.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Oh, to come to the Zoom. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But is that camera on right now? Oh, okay, then that's making sense.
Men jobbar ni i håller ni till i B-huset mest då? Ja. Men det var där jag jobbade. Ja. För jag har ju jobbat på Ida. Ja. Nej, men jag var på en avdelning som hette ekonomiska informationssystem. Det var en avdelning på IDA som sysslade med, som sagt, ekonomiska informationssystem för att få ut det mesta av systemen. Och där var jag dataransvarig. Ja, det var ju mycket, det var ju det. Det var ju det. Ja. Shall we start? Yeah.
This is blue. I don't see people in the background. It's just blue.
Yeah, so then we had only the video, but the sound wasn't coming through.
So there's no point of using this.
Now we have the sound. What? Should I do something? Soleil, can you hear us?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Fine. I think we can start.
Yeah.
I think we should start.
Yeah, but use this camera.
Maybe. Oh, okay. Okay.
Now you turn off camera so I don't see anymore.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So I think the sound is going on to YouTube. Yeah. So sound with screensaver to YouTube and laptop camera and sound to Soleil.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start. So Lasse, do you wanna say something?
Yeah. Should Aaron introduce us or? Hello, Soleil.
Hello, Lasse.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah. Should I stand here? Can you see the audience?
No, I don't.
Ah, yeah, we could switch it maybe, because it's only us.
So you have a new setup, a new room. Very nice.
Yeah. You can see. Yeah.
Yay! Hello,
Like this.
everyone.
Yeah. Hello.
Very nice to see you.
So, very welcome to this new setting and new room, and we are a bit late, but hopefully we
Could you
will have
stand?
a lot of fun. Yes. So, and I really like these mics, but I don't know if they are working, but yeah, hopefully.
Is it working when you are standing there, not on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, I can turn that.
Okay. Should I leave the floor to our Toastmaster for tonight? Vidar?
Yay!
Are you prepared? Welcome.
Yes. Ah, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't know what it says, but something good. Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Soleil, do you prefer to have it like this or? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's-
So I have my
it's
back
good,
against
yeah.
it. Yeah. Okay. So welcome to today's chaotic meeting at Goto 10. We were hoping to have a live stream on YouTube with video and audio, but unfortunately we only have the audio to YouTube, I guess.
For YouTube, we have video and audio.
Ah, okay. So,
Okay.
okay, great. So that actually works.
It was for the Zoom.
Okay.
I was trying to get the video to work for Zoom participants.
Okay, so we're actually live on YouTube right now. We have been for 2 hours. Okay, that's
yeah.
great. Okay, yeah, okay, let's start the meeting. So, welcome everybody to this chaotic meeting here at Linköping's Toastmasters out at Goto 10 in Mjärdevi Science Park. We have Soleil participating online, and the rest of us is on location. And today's topic is open source and why that is the best way to create software. And I'll begin this meeting with having a speech about open source, and then we'll continue to the other participants. We'll have Lasse having a speech about how to manage projects successfully. And he will present a speech reflecting on the experience of applying what was learned to working with a team to complete a project, which I'm very much looking forward to hear about. And then Shen will have a speech about the XC utils backdoor, the critical SSH vulnerability in Windows. No, that's just a bad joke. It's Linux. Yeah, okay. So why is open source the best way to create software? It may be not the best way to create software, but in our case, we find that it's the best way to create a new software for our purposes, which is to have a functional meeting agenda for the Toastmasters organization as a whole. Currently, there seems to be a split between different districts in how they manage their meetings. And to me, it's kind of silly having an organization with 250,000 members not having the same system to arrange their meetings. And what we found out is that the current system is closed and it's splitted up. I can't even say it's the current system. The only system that we're using is the tmclub.eu, which is created by a very kind fellow who has made an entirely working system some years ago. So we don't have any issues with him personally, or we don't even want to bring any issues to the table. We just want to have a functioning system for ourselves to use. And then we figured out that the rest of the organization might be able to use it as well. So currently we are 4 people in the core team working on setting up the basic structure and infrastructure. And we will start testing it out. And because it's open source, we'll be able to take feedback from other people immediately on what kind of code we're writing. And then we know if it's good code or bad code. Having this transparency also allows new members to join into the production, which could gain the organization in having a new crowd. Today, there's not many young people joining Toastmasters, in my knowledge. Our club has the benefit of having 2 young guests here present today, and 1 young member being present. The rest of us is a little bit older, but we're still young. No offense. No offense. And I think that's great, because the younger generation would benefit from learning public speaking, both in their private life and in their career. So why don't mix both programming and public speaking? Because programmers tend to be bad at public speaking. I mean, that's my reasoning, and I hope it will turn out great. So that's my reason why open source is the best way to create software in this situation. Yeah, thank you. Yes, moving on.
Wait Wait one moment.
Yep.
We have 2 new evaluators for VIDE.
Yes.
Yeah.
Should we take it right now?
Yeah, we
Okay.
could you present yourself?
Yes. Hello, my name is Elias, and I'm from and I study IT.
Hi, my name is Philip. I also study IT.
So they are perfect to evaluate the VIDE's speech in presentation. Yes. So I hope you will do a great evaluation. Good luck. Yes.
Would you like them to have the evaluation right now, or should we?
No, I have given them the evaluation sheet.
Okay, that's great.
I am always prepared. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't be too kind. Yeah. All right. So moving on to Yu Ting, which will have the word of the day. So welcome, Yu Ting.
Hey, Soleil, and hey, everyone. And it's my second time being here as a old guest for the Toastmasters in Linköping. And the word of the day that I want to talk about is the word is share. Because I think open source is a spirit about people willing to share their knowledge and work to the community and to help others. So since today's topic is about open source, and I don't want to make the topic like too technical. So let's start with the warm and simple words, share. And maybe like you can share your story about the sharing. Maybe if you have ever received something helpful but unexpected from others, like people share with you, or like if you like accidentally share something nice to other people, maybe strangers or someone like you don't mean to, like by accident or something. Let's share a little bit like nice story, like warm story about yourself. Okay, I think like the first speaker would like to talk about this topic. I hope like is someone, any volunteers? Okay.
Yeah, I can volunteer.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I think this one, but I'm not sure if that one's on. Like it is. Okay. Yeah. I'll stop interrupting the technicians. Okay. So sharing. I think this is a great day to share. I don't have any story to share, but I'll just share. I'll share myself and like bjuder på mig själv som man säger på svenska. And that's the reason why I'm standing here today. And I hope that this sharing will lead to more people joining us, coming here, sharing as well. So that's my take on it. Thank you.
I think as a tradition of this part, like you have to choose a guy and you have to something to ask for.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Shen, please share something.
I think I can use this as well.
Hmm.
Yeah, so yeah, I think shared knowledge is a very like interesting point because what I learned before I have go into university is like when so like there's a long period before I like do like active learning. So before that I just go into like high school, middle school, elementary school, and just sit there, find a seat and listen to teacher, and teacher talk something, I listen to something, I do the assignment, and then I took the exam, and then I took the university entrance exam, and then yeah, basically I just like what I think of learning is just like taking exams and correct my answer and take exams. But when I go to university and I start to like learn computer science, it feels like there's a lot of resources you can find online because people are willing to share in their knowledge. They will write blog, they will like provide their source code. So it's like, and they provide a tutorial to teach you like how to do each step. So it's like very good, like you can learn it yourself, you can like just learn it actively. The reason you can do this is because they share it, and yeah, I really appreciate all that knowledge online. Thank you.
Well, like, who do you want to ask?
I'll
What?
what? Yeah.
Soleil?
What?
Hello, do you want to share about stories?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So I would like to say about sharing kindness. So usually when we think about sharing, then maybe we think about resources or knowledge, but kindness is also something very nice to share. Just a act of kindness or share your time with someone or support them is also something that we can do and should do as well. One thing usually I see is, for example, we can volunteer for working for an organization or volunteer to support the disadvantaged people. Or even in Toastmasters, we also volunteer to take the responsibility to run the club business, for example. And by doing so, by sharing the kindness or sharing our effort, then we can also develop ourselves and develop the connection with other people as well. And further to Paulina.
Yeah.
So, hi everyone, my name is Paulina, and I would like to share about sharing my knowledge and experiences to young people. As you may know, some of you may know, my previous profession was an e-commerce entrepreneur for 15 years back in Asia. And towards the end of my professions, before I moved here, I decided to share all of my knowledge and experiences, the up and the down and the challenges to young people in Malaysia. Because I noticed that the salary for young people in Malaysia is very, very low, which is barely enough for your daily living. So I was thinking, why don't I share my knowledge to do business with them so that they can start their own business and they can afford their life. So that's what I did on 2018 and 2019. I conducted the training and workshop, invited anyone, any young people, youth until, it was attended by youth, young people until old people as well who wanted to know about e-commerce. So I conducted a training with the 30 pages booklets, so they will learn A to Z. So from the beginning of searching product market research until how they're gonna market it, pricing, product fulfillment, taking a photo, finding suppliers and everything. So that's what I did. And the result of that 2 training is, I think 95% of them, they started their own business until now. So I'm very happy to know that. Thank you.
Who do you want to?
Elias, right? Elias.
Okay. First time here, just a guest. Happy to tell you something. So, why I am very interested in just sharing or advice is just, as you also say, it's if you don't share, how would everyone else learn? So if you're good at something, or maybe not even good, if you're bad at something, right?
Yeah.
You can get something from that. So everyone learns while everyone make mistakes. So that's basically why I'm very interested in just public speaking in general and just to get better at it.
Great.
Yeah, if I take this, yeah, if I take this, we will have an echo. Yeah. Okay. What I think is, it's a great word, you think? Yeah. Super. Yeah. And like Elias said, it's important to dare to share. It's rhyme. I'm a poet, yeah. Okay, yeah. But you should, if you make mistakes, it's just as important if you have your downs and if you have your ups, because every mistake makes you a bigger person. And in Linköping Toastmasters, it's very important you say that public speaking is one part of Linköping Toastmasters, and leadership is another part. But what's the third part? Do you know what that is?
Nudging.
Nudging. No. It's personal development. And how do you develop yourself? By making mistake. And by daring to share your mistakes. Not by sitting in the corner, but by daring to share the mistakes you have done and to move on. That's very, very important. Now I have taken a lot of time, so let's go on. Thank you very much. Yeah. Elias, what's that name? And Philip. Philip.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you dare to share something?
Sure.
Yeah. Good luck.
Do you want to share?
Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah, I have not been here before. But yeah, I think it sounds like a very interesting thing. Yeah, I think knowledge is very important to share, as you said, because it helps you, you learn from your mistakes. And it, yeah, if others can learn from others' mistake, I think we would have a lot of development in the world. So yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Philip. Thank you. And should you ask why you have chosen sharing?
Yes. Like
should you share a story? Yeah.
Why you ask me? I'm like the host of this.
Yeah, but could you
session.
share a story?
But like, before I share my story, I really like have to thank you all guys here, because it's my first time host this section, and I think I really heard some good stories. Like Elias and Soleil have shared the thoughts about what is sharing, why sharing is important. Like for Soleil, I think based on her like personal experience, she may talk about your contributions to the community or the social experience things. And I think what Elias says is very like practical. Like I didn't thought about this before. Like when you share, when you willing to making mistakes, then even though you don't have to like share your successful experience, like the experience you made mistake is also valuable for others. Yes, that is like really impressive. And for Chen and Paulina's experience is really, really like inspiring me, like how we develop ourselves and then we reach out to help others. So the reason why I choose share today is like because we are in Goto 10 and I search on Goto 10. I say, oh, it's a workspace. We can working together. It's a shared workplace. And why I choose this word? The first reason is the open source Vida has chose for our today's topic. And then I want to say special thanks to Aaron for giving us this space. You know, like this is a Chinese philosophy, like maintain, like everything. Okay, I think, so there it is for today's word of the day. And thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
That was great. Seems like you had the section before, like a true veteran.
Great job.
Yeah. Okay, and I'm impressed by your sharing the first time being here. So yeah, big thank you to you as well. So Lasse,
Yes.
are you ready to inspire us with your teamwork speech?
Yeah. If
Yeah.
you
Should I do it? Yeah, okay, I could do some introduction to the speech.
yeah.
Because I tried, I knew before I tried that you wouldn't be nudged by me to have something in the alignment of open source. But you gave me a great explanation that everything is open source. So yeah, you hacked me.
Yeah. Could you tell me what you wanted me to talk about? Yeah.
Yeah, just some open source project that I've heard about, which is Linux, and how that could be aligned with project management and teamwork, because it's what I know, the biggest open source project. But I mean, the world is yours, right? So you're free to do whatever you want.
Yeah.
And I appreciate it. So I'm looking forward to hear your speech.
Yeah.
Oh, you want a picture? I think it's better if you share the screen. If you go here, you can close that one. Then if you share the screen, then you choose that one. And then share.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Vida.
Welcome.
And like Vida said, can you hear me, everyone? Yeah. Like Vida said, he was trying to push me to talk to a field that I didn't like. He tried to push me to talk about Linux. I don't like Linux. It's a great area, but I don't like being pushed. So, what I'm going to talk about is creating a motivational pamphlet from going from guest to member. And I've given you a motivational pamphlet there, I hope, yeah? And the introduction to my speech is using an overall vision in open space, making Linköping Toastmasters grow as well as the individuals. Not only Linköping Toastmasters, but also the individual. And I'm working as a graphical designer. Do you know what a graphical designer is? Yeah, the one who drew the picture, yeah. The one who drew this picture, yeah. And I'm a picture freak, yeah. And how you make a project as a graphical designer. You start with a vision. A vision what to do. And often you have a client with you, a client that knows what he or she wants to do or not. So, this is the first part. Another part is this. You have a lot of intelligent tools. If you can understand this, it stands for artificial intelligent tools. Yeah? And we use a lot of tools, and they are very important. The third part is this. I'm really strong. I really like to work in teams. In team, not in teams, because that not something else. Yeah, but I really like to work in team. Do you work in team?
Yes.
What's team? Yeah, group of people. Not technical devices, it's group of people, yeah? And the fourth part is this. Can you see what this is? What does this stand for? As a graphical designer, is error, yeah. Error, yeah. But this stands for creativity or having fun. Can you see the smile? Yeah? That's a smile, yeah. It's a creative smile, yeah. No, it's not an error smile, it's a fun smile, yeah. Like you see the picture on me, yeah, smiling, yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you all, if you have a project, what part is the most important part? What do you think? Chen? Yes. You say the vision. You think? Yeah, but that's the vision. Yeah, okay, yeah. Paulina, what do you think?
The funding and the team, and the fun team.
Having fun, yeah, okay.
No funding, not fun. Funding,
Money. Yeah. Vidare?
Communication.
Okay, communication, yeah. Elias? The team, yeah.
Without the team, you can't accomplish the vision.
Yeah. And finally?
Yes, I also think the team.
Great. We have two partners here, yeah? The team is the most important part. I say that too. Yeah. Do you know why? The team is the most important part. Because you have, like I said, you have teams. Because you have a formal team that is supposed to design your work, but you have a lot of informal teams. You have Toastmasters, you have other teams, you have colleagues and so on. You have a lot of teams that are working and helping you building here. So, what you call it is networking, and we in Toastmasters are quite good in networking, and we work hard in networking. So, teams are very, very important. And what we in Toastmasters have done here is a pamphlet. This. And without my teammates, I couldn't have done it. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Lasse. Great insights and great feedback from the crowd. Money.
Money. Money. Yeah.
And let's move on to Soleil to introduce the third speech. Hi, Soleil. Did you get the question from Lasse, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. And please present the third speech.
Yeah.
Okay.
So our first speaker is Chen. She is working on the pathway, Toastmaster pathway, engage in humor, know your sense of humor. So the purpose of this project, she will deliver a speech that includes at least one anecdote or story intended to entertain or bring humor into the presentation. And her speech is about the uses backdoors, the critical SSH vulnerability in Windows. Please welcome Chen.
No, it sounds boring.
I must say, I had to research what is it about when I read her title.
Yeah, actually, this title is not written by me as well. So. Yeah, so it's like last time. Yeah, I talked some shit about this backdoor with Vida, and he think I talked something really interesting, and he think it's really it's really like highly related to open source project. So. Yeah, I think it's a good topic to talk about. So I do some, I watched some video about this before, but I didn't fully understand how this going on. But during the previous 5 minutes or no, 20 minutes, I read through the process, and I think I can talk the story of this XJ utils backdoor. So this is attack. This is a cybersecurity related attack happened 1 month ago, and the repository related to this is a repository called XJ utils, which is currently only maintained by 2 people. One is the creator, who is now having his internet breaks. So he's not doing any code review. And the other maintainer is the attacker who has been contribute to this project since 2021. So what he does is he prepare to like, he do a real contribution to this for the entire 3 years. And just 1 month ago, he do the attack. He commit something bad to the repository, and which caused a very big problem. The reason why it caused a big problem is this utils is actually created a backdoor to a software called OpenSSH, which is a highly like a very popular tool, software in the Linux operating system. So it's like I don't know if like how many of you have used it. It's like if you want to like remotely log into a server, you have to use SSH, and the reason why you can do it is because the server has this SSHD server running in their operating system. So yeah, so now we can talk about how this attack actually happened. So the like 1 month ago, this attacker is called Jia Tian. His name is called Jia Tian. So he updated a commit, and it's in this commit which create the something bad afterward. So in this commit, he just like modify or add something to a test binary test data, which will be later used to compile the software, this XJ software. So what he do is not like modify any like code, but he just modify the data, and this data will be like used to compile to compile the executable file, and the backdoor is actually inside the executable file. And so, yeah, I'm not really like saying something technical, but this is my current understanding. And so if you use this version of XJ, if you use this like version of this XJ utils, and you have your OpenSSH running in your Linux server, then the attacker has the ability to send some request to your SSHD server, and then he can like pass by the ISA verification step. So this is how they do the attack. So they open the backdoor, and then they can use it to like do the back things afterward. And the reason why it's terrible is because like nearly like they do something based on the Linux operating system, and there's a lot of like different versions of like operating system based on Linux, and SSHD is a very popular software as well. And but the lucky thing is like this like XJ attack is actually be detected very fast. But the interesting thing is like it's not actually detected by the security expert, but it's detected by a guy who is like doing a test to the Postgres database. He tests another software, and during his like test, he find out the CPU usage of the SSHD is like very high, so it's not normal, and he report this to the community, and then the people began to like investigate this event and discover like there's a backdoor in their operating system, like in their SSHD server. I don't know if you get it, but yeah, so yeah, I have like kind of like there's a repository which did the very thoroughly investigate of this like binary file and list all this like detail of attack. But yeah, if you're interested, you can look into it. But that is my understanding of this so far. Yeah. So there's people talk about this as well. So they think this is not like only done by one guy. They think this account is like manipulated by a group of people, and this guy has a Chinese name like Jia Tian. So they think it's something related to like communism party or something. But I'm not sure about it. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I would not do something like individually if like you contribute to something for 3 years and then you want to like no, it's not destroy. It's like if you have a plan, you just do it like now. Why you have to like contribute for 3 years and then do it? Or maybe it's trying to like gather like the trust from the community. But yeah, it's quite interesting to know. And now they closed the repository, so yeah, like people really like take it very seriously. So yeah.
Yeah, that was great. I'm sorry if I pushed you too hard. Like
No, it's good.
I thought I tried nudging. So yeah, I know you're really interested in the topic, and you gave me a great explanation last time. So I thought it was funny. So that's the reason.
But it's not funny today.
Yeah, it's funny. Like yeah. And that's it for the prepared speeches. And do you guys want to take a break, or
shall we take to 1945?
Yeah,
7 minutes break.
Sorry, Soleil. Yeah, hi.
Is it okay?
Yeah, how long break do you want?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Okay.
So to 45.
Okay,
so people can prepare their evaluations and so on.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Let's have a 7-minute break.
Förstod ni vad ni ska evaluering? Ja.
Are we back on? Yeah, okay. This has been an interesting night.
Yeah.
Are we on any kind of schedule? Like,
Yeah.
or on time? Yeah. Bring more passion. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm too boring. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. It's okay. Yes, so today we had an amazing meeting here at Goto 10. We had 3 prepared speeches. We all did great, and our guests did great. Aaron did great. And now we're moving on to evaluations. Table topic. Let's do table topic.
You can close my computer.
But I think it's good. Your computer using to face the speaker and the other one face the audience.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, yeah. Hi.
Yes.
No, you're
It's
the
you.
table topic master.
Yeah.
But you can call Aaron as a speaker. Yeah. You're the table
Yes.
topic master. But you
That's
can
great.
call
Yeah.
Aaron as speaker. No.
You can have as long as you want.
Ah.
Yes, so let's move on to Paulina, who is the table topic master.
Yes. Who wants to volunteer for the first table topic? So table topic, I will give you a question, and you have 30 seconds to think, and 30 seconds or 1 minute to answer. It can be your experience or something that you made up totally. Okay. So the first question.
Yeah, Aaron, you wanna?
Yeah.
Please.
You want a microphone?
Not yet.
Where's another mic? Do you? Oh, there.
So the question is: imagine a world where all software is open source. What are the challenges and opportunities? 30 seconds to think. And
Okay.
anytime you're ready.
Is this on?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. 30 seconds. And the question was: imagine a world where
All software is open source.
all software is open source.
What are the challenges and opportunities?
The challenges and
Opportunities. Anytime when you are ready.
okay. So a world with open source. I think the challenges and are obviously there. But challenges aside, I think that the benefits of having it outweigh those challenges. I think having that as like the only method, I think will streamline the whole thing, where everybody is kind of like all connected and they know what's happening. They can share all their ideas, and they have like one universal language that everybody uses, and it just makes creativity flow a lot more better. So you have so much more ideas, you have so much more buzz, you have so much more energy, and suddenly with open source being that one thing that everybody uses, well, then it'll just kind of like transcend, different cultures and languages, and we will all be able to communicate through this open source. And I think the open source will just open up the world and open up development in many new ways, and it will just be a better, brighter future for everybody.
Thank you. That was very insightful. Thank you.
Great.
Next table topic speaker. Who want to volunteer? You can choose anyone.
Oh. Okay. I have to choose the next volunteer or somebody?
Up to you. Next volunteer, yes.
Okay.
That
And
will answer the question.
okay. Then it's the same question?
No, different question.
Okay. I have to come up with it?
No,
Or
I will come up
you
with
come
the
with the question.
question.
Okay.
So you just,
There you go.
yep. So imagine you are a politician. How can open source solve the unemployment issues?
Can you repeat?
Imagine you are a politician. How can open source solve the unemployment issues?
Solve employment issue.
Unemployment.
Wow, like what's happening?
Nothing. It's just imagination.
Yeah, it's so good.
So okay, good. Because the statistic is going up, so I'm relating to that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first of all, I love open source. So this view may be a bit part of okay.
Biased.
So so as a politician, if all open source were it could solve it, but I think the challenges would be very different, because as if everything were open source, or if there were a lot more open source, people would just do it themselves. So why would you go to Facebook and work there when you could do it yourself with all the exact programs?
Mm-hmm.
So I on the other hand, the unemployment issue would be bigger. That's basically due to, if everyone would want to do it yourself, who will the big company that's buying it, will the big company buying it, or will they just make it themselves? So yes, it will be very hard to have a whole society with open source software only.
So how will you solve it as a politician?
Make it not open source.
Thank you.
Shouldn't wait, Elias, wouldn't more people work at home then?
I don't think people would work. Because if
Yeah.
this is a very okay, but imagine if all software were open source.
Yeah.
It's a very big. Then we have a very big issue. Because why would you go in to how would I sell you Instagram app if it was open source and I could just deploy it myself? The most popular kid would have the most people use their app.
Yeah.
With that said,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
very hard question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can choose anyone. The debate has just started.
Great.
Yeah.
So for this question, there's two parts. The first question is: are you pro open source or you are contra or against open source? Pro. Pro. Okay. So how can Toastmasters, as a Toastmasters, you become a better advocates for the open source model to policymakers?
Oh, can you say it again? I don't understand the question.
As a Toastmasters, we are good at public speaking and speeches and all. How can you advocate for the open source model to policymaker? Meaning, you're gonna raise this to the policymakers to make it like open source being available widely because you pro open source, right?
Oh, you mean I have to
Convince the policymakers,
Yeah.
make it open.
make what open?
Open source.
Make open source open.
Yeah, make it become bigger. As like you want it to be everything open source, for example.
Oh yeah, like
Yes.
we are going to
Yes.
like
How are you going
convince
to advocate for it?
politicians making
Yeah.
laws that everybody contribute to open source and everything going to be open source, something like that.
Yes. How are you going to advocate for that?
Oh.
You may lie if you want.
I really have to think for a bit.
I think
She wants to ask. He wants to answer.
You can answer it if you
Yes,
want.
we
You
can.
can.
the thing is like
But you need the microphone.
like if you show that it can provide more profit than before. I mean, the politicians don't care about the tech; they just care about the outcome, like the money.
True.
So yeah, so you have to like make it.
Um,
Yeah, and the thing is like if you open source something,
mhm.
then some business model is not functioning anymore.
Actually, like, I think like a politician is like, actually politician is like not of a group of people who are really like united with each other. Like politicians work for their own countries. And for their own countries, I really got some story to tell. Like, so as in China, you know, like ChatGPT, the version 3 or something is free to use, like for everyone. But actually in China, like the ChatGPT is forbidden, is banned, and GitHub is banned. Like there are really a lot of open source things that you can take advantage of that politicians don't want people to use them. But why they're doing this is that there are really some like domain, like the companies, tech companies in China, they want to take use of this kind of technologies and make profit and provide more jobs to the people, like just in my country. Like I don't want others to use it. I don't want the people in my country knows this kind of things, which better than other country, and like we can, like maybe ask for some SNS apps. Like we already have an X, I mean Twitter. Why we have like a Chinese version of Twitter in China? Like that is what politicians want. Like I want control of these technologies. I want only my people using this kind of shit. I don't want other people to use it. And like I really have an experience that I try to like sell my product to the politician, government officers, and actually the product is shit. It's like nothing creative inside, but I can like make up really nice concept. Like politicians don't care about like is it technical issue or what is it good, is it hard, is it like how deep in you have go to here. Just want to like, oh, this concept is good, AI concept is good, even though I know nothing about it, but I heard of this thing is good, so let's apply with it. So we just make up some light, like open source is like the best thing in the world, like the highest level of concept in the world that you as a politician have to apply with it. If you don't, your country will get beaten. Like you will get teased and like you will lose job, like your, the, how to say, the competition between other countries, you will lose in that kind of shit. Okay, let's make laws, let's do this. We have to do the open source. Let's make like countries great again, something like that.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, this is my, okay. For the next guy, like you were laughing so hard. I want you to like take the mic and share your thoughts.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Yuting. That was very interesting, and you share with passion. So
Yeah,
I like
you
it.
used very much passion. Yeah,
Yes.
good.
Good advocates.
Mocking at Chinese government.
Okay. Are you ready, Jen?
Yeah.
So it's just quite straightforward. What open source technologies will have the biggest impact on the next generation? You can think for 30 seconds.
What open source
Technologies
technology?
that you can create or that exist today that will have the biggest impact on the next generation.
Biggest impact.
Yes. Now we want to bring out your innovative computer science thinking.
Linux.
You can just
But I
imagine
don't
it.
really understand the next generation because do I belong to next generation?
Yeah, you're in the next generation.
Yeah, I have no idea what's next generation because like even now it's like tomorrow is gonna be so different from today.
So what is okay? You can just share what will make a big impact actually for our life using open source. Something that that will help us maybe in our daily life or make our life better or greater.
I mean, when you talk about what kind of technology, I was kind of technology.
Or anything that you will create that will make a big impact in people's life.
In people's life. I really I cannot connect the thing I'm doing to people's life. So, but yeah, I think
You can just make up something.
yeah, like the thing is, the open AI is not open source. It's a company, so they have all their like ChatGPT, like 3.5, 4.0. All this stuff is not open source. So if it is open source, I don't know if this AI stuff would got even crazier than now. So
What do
yeah.
you think actually?
Actually, I was quite how is it? Can you repeat the question again?
I mean, what do you think? Is this you talking about the open AI and there's this ChatGPT 4 and everything? It will be a great thing or not? Just now, right? So is it going to be a great thing?
Oh
Will
yeah,
it
I
be
can talk a story, but I don't know if
Yes.
it's related to it. Yeah. So do you guys know like a Devon AI, which is like software, like AI software developer. And the thing is, like, this is actually a scam. So this AI software developer is not actually doing the thing they marketing themselves as. The reason behind it is like some people look into their website and they find a lot of like they just look into their website. They already find a lot of problem, but they haven't even looked into the code. So the problem is like this Devon AI stuff, like the company who hold this Devon AI, they just provide this like video without any source code opened it. So they can like already catch a lot of people to like to look into this stuff because it's actually really fancy in their marketing video. But they still being discovered later as a scam because people who use it discover it's really not something they promoted before. And I mean, it's like if everything is open source, or then there's no this issue. Like, just provide a code, they will see like, yeah, you are the real deal. Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Thank you, Jen. Thank you for the interesting stories.
Here, guys. Thank you.
Okay.
So Fide,
I'm scared.
I know I know that you're pro on open source.
Yeah.
So can you mention a couple of ethical issues that will come up from this using this open source?
If the AI softwares were open source, then anybody could take advantage of them, further developing them into something uncontrollable. And that could be malicious and it could cause suffering. We don't know. Or someone could make it better and benefit us all. We don't know. But as it is right now, it's closed source, and those who have closed it down says that is for our best, and that might be the case. But I'm not really educated enough to make the decision. So. Yeah.
Thank you for your insights. You can pick someone.
Yes, have Lasse spoken?
No.
No, yeah, please, Lasse.
Oui.
So Lasse, something related to technology, not open source. So as an older person, the EU released a statement that technology is the solution for the aging populations.
Yeah.
Are you agree or disagree to that? And explain why.
EU says that it's a way to...
Technology is the solution to aging populations.
And I should take an anecdote. Yeah, okay. I don't see myself as an aging person, but yeah, okay, yeah. But I tell you a story about my father, who is dead, so yeah, okay, yeah. But everybody has this, yes? But my father, he couldn't handle a mobile. Do you know what he used? For this mobile for older people. Do you know what they are called? Older phone? Older phone, yeah. But it's mobile. They are not using cameras. They are just to call at. And they are using bigger knots so they can type. But here in a usual phone, you have a lot of apps and so on. He couldn't use it. No. So it was perfect for him and perfect for me. Do you know why? Because I had to help him every time he had problems, yeah. So, did I answer your question?
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah?
Sort of, yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then we can ask Philip to take the stand. Yeah? Yes. Welcome, Philip.
Thank you.
Welcome. And do we have a mic there? You have a mic.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you.
So Philip, I know that you are studying in technology.
Yes.
If you are an innovative inventor in technology, what will you invent? If you have all of the resources, what will you invent and why? Finance is not an issue, skill is not an issue.
Think
You
higher.
could lie.
You could lie. What would you like to invent?
Maybe some way of like yes, like yeah, like solving like climate change. I think
Good.
yes. yeah, I think it's like the most important thing we have right now. So yeah.
Okay.
And I think maybe there's not like much there's much more potential in that area to like in innovation and stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can you give us an idea?
Yeah.
What area? It's a very big, broad area. Have
You want to
got a-
prevent snow during spring, or
Some way of like reducing our need of fossil fuels, I think.
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Great.
interesting? Thank you.
I didn't understand the last part.
Is a fossil fuel, right?
Fossil fuel.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
It's
and
like diesel, benzene.
and carbon emissions and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So it
Yes.
Very
wouldn't be so
innovative.
much, yeah. It
Saving
would
the
be
climate.
Great.
And the last one we have Soleil.
Good. Thank you, Philip.
So Soleil, being in the HR department in your company now, do you see the negative or the positive things about AI?
Okay.
It could be in the recruitment, or it could be like your colleague is using AI too much. They don't use their brain, they use AI. So any problem that you will think.
Yeah, thank you, Paulina. So in human resource, we have to deal with personal data. So we have to manage the personal data of the employees. And of course, we have to work with different kinds of laws to ensure that we comply with the local laws, labor laws, and to ensure that we act as a good employer towards employees. That's the reason why I see many risks using AI when we work as in the human resource department. So first of all, the personal data of employees can be leaked out. Oh no, it should stay confidential and should not be shared. So we don't know what is stay behind the AI. We don't see the faces over there, but we have to be careful when we use AI. So confidential information, sensitive information should not be shared. So even you use it as anonymous, the case or the situation maybe can be recognized. Who knows, right? And secondly, we have to deal with law, and we have to be accurate and comply with the labor laws. So AI resource so AI just take resource from everywhere, and it can be the case that it's not reliable or it's not updated, for example. It is better not use AI as a legal advisor when it's come to the case we have to deal with. But it's better to have a reliable resource updated and consult with a lawyer instead of using AI. But I think AI is very good for reference in some cases, especially for the learning and development for employees. It can be a good resource for organization and also a resource for the knowledge. Yeah.
Thank you, Soleil. It was very insightful from Human Resource Department. Thank you. Yeah, back to you, Fide.
Thank you, Paulina. That was deeper than I expected. I guess everybody's sleepless tonight, pondering these questions. Amazing. So that was basically it for the speeches, and then we'll move on to the evaluation. Yes. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. Hi, Amanda. We have a new guest. Do you want to join the live stream and?
Do you want to try?
Yeah. Do you have another question, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. So where's the mic? Can I have the microphone? Thank you.
Welcome, Amanda.
Yeah. Welcome.
Yes. Hi, Amanda. Are you using AI in your daily work? And if yes, what do you use it for? And what do you think about it?
Okay, I would just say that that is a very difficult question to
You have 30
answer.
seconds to think about it.
Oh,
Impromptu.
Like wise things. Anyway, I don't really know that much about AI. I do want to learn more. What do I think about AI? I don't know. I'm honestly a bit scared of it. But then we had an event with Karin Holm at the university, and she said that that could be, how do you say, a tool in the work for sustainability. And so I was like, oh, maybe that's actually a good thing. And then I decided I want to learn AI, and I haven't actually done anything yet.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the very insightful. Yes, very good. Yes.
About the invention for the future. Should you like that one?
Oh, do you have any invention for the future?
If you could invent something for the better of the world.
Yes.
No, you don't have to. I'm just thinking you would like that question.
One thing for the betterment of the world.
What was the question about the?
If you have all of the resources and the skill and the finances, what will you invent and for the betterment of the world, and why?
Okay. So I assume, like me being from, how do you say, the sustainability sector, I would try to invent some sort of, for example, wind turbine, or maybe something that you can use in the water that can use the waves in order to make so much electricity and energy, so that we don't actually need to use, coal and oil and all of those shit that are destroying.
Interesting. You have almost a similar answer to Philip. Interesting. Thank you. Thank you. You have innovator here. Okay, back to you, Fide.
Yeah, that was great. Thank you for the backup. Yeah, appreciate it. So great speech, Amanda. Welcome to the club. Yeah, it's a pleasure. Should we move on to the evaluations?
Yes.
Yes, and instead of the first evaluation is made by our beloved guests. Do you want to enter the stage?
Yes. Welcome.
Okay, first of all, very fun to be here. Nice, lovely meeting you guys. I've learned so much by watching you and even participating in this. So, yeah, we evaluated Vida.
Yeah.
Should you?
I think you had a very engaging. Yeah, I think you had a very good and engaging speech, and you spoke very clearly, and it was very interesting, I think.
Yeah, the clarity was a very good part of it, because I felt that I really understood everything of it. One thing that are we going for the 2 stars and the wish concept, or
like whatever you like?
Yeah, comfort. You had a very impressive comfort on the stage, and the tempo of the tempo, as I said, very good. One thing, eye contact, because you were a lot of down here. If you would be up there, maybe you could. I had a teacher that said to me, "Look over the people's heads."
Okay.
That's one thing. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Stepping.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you very
Do you
much.
want?
Yeah, please. Yeah, that's great feedback.
I'm sorry, but I am in a little bit of time rush, so I have to
Yeah.
leave. But very nice, lovely meeting you guys.
Yeah, the same.
I'm looking forward to see
Yeah.
you in second time.
Yeah,
Thank
great.
you. Elias, Elias och Filip, om ni skriver ner era mejladresser så får ni en inbjudan till nästa möte. Och tack för att ha det här. Sköt om er.
So who is the second evaluator? Is it
Har det
for?
gått?
Hallå.
Second evaluator
Follows.
are those two.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
okay, we have to stand up here. Oh, okay. Where stand up? Yes. We are the evaluator of the second speaker, Lasey, and what we want to evaluate, like we give 5 stars on the yes, especially on the eye contact and on the audience awareness and the comfort level. Like from my perspective, I think Lasey is like an expert in how to interact with the audience around, but also like on the Zoom. Like no matter if you are an old friend or just new guest, newcomer, he will like pay attention to everyone and have eye contact to everyone to make sure everyone is like involved. And I truly remember the part about like what is the most important thing in the project, and you just deliver like several you pose a question to everyone as an audience, and when you give like get different feedback from different people, you still have you give out your feedback, and it's really warm and it's strengthen the interactions. I think it really make the atmosphere really how to say active. Yes, and for the yes.
Yeah. I think it's like I give the 5 point to the interest because, like, the line, the arrow line.
The arrow line, yeah, it was a
it's
smile.
actually
Yeah,
very
yeah.
interesting to see. Like, yeah, at the beginning we just thought it was like something wrong, but it was just part of the speech as well. And then you show it. You say it's like a smile or something. So then we change the perspective and see it differently. Yeah, it's something good. I like it. Yeah. How about you?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's true. So,
yeah, and I think the content is constructed since it's always centered around the project and team and vision. And I think the structure is clear, and we all get into what you said. And I really enjoy your speed, like as like English is not my native language. I feel a little bit hard if I join an open speech.
no
if like
people
everyone.
here is the first.
Yes,
That's
it's true. So I think the speed of the speech is really friendly for the users, for the audience.
For the
audience. No, for the audience. Sorry for the
It's getting
audience.
late.
Yeah, and I think and I would like to hear like more story from your experience as well.
Yeah, maybe next time a little bit longer.
Yeah,
Yeah, that is our advice.
that's true.
That was great. I'm not sure who's the third evaluator.
Third,
Soleil. Yes, Soleil. I forgot.
Yes.
Hi,
Thank
Soleil.
you.
Have,
Thank you, Victor.
have the camera setting been good to you? Have you had the opportunity to see the speaker?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Thank you, Vida. And thank you, Chen, for a very, very well-prepared speech. A very nice speech. I really enjoy it. And I really appreciate your courage explaining a dry topic. I believe it's hard to explain, but you had the courage to explain it and even tell stories that funny and the stories that recently happened, and it was very helpful to explain the topic. And during the speech, you also use a lot of examples and less theory, so that it's easier for the audience to understand. So I could say that you could use the good methods to deliver your message. And one good thing that I found was that you also delivered your speech very lively. I don't see your face, but I hear from your voice. You appear like comfortable and try to be funny as well. Yeah. My challenge for you is firstly maybe give a structure at the beginning about your speech, how you structure it, so it will be easier for the audience to follow. And secondly, maybe you can connect with the audience, interact with the audience by asking questions, for example. By engage them into your speech, then it will be more interesting for them and also easier for them to follow and also have their attention to follow your speech. Thank you very much, and I look forward to your the further speeches.
That was great. I'm getting dizzy, so maybe we should round it up. Yeah, I believe that was it for the evaluations. So now we have the quizmaster, and I'm not sure who is Lasse. Who's the quizmaster? Yes, it's a very organized meeting. You can tell. So Lasse, please be quizmaster.
Wait. Now, do you know what a quizmaster is? No. Yeah. Yeah, it's about we are summarizing the meeting up. Now you haven't been here a very long time, and Aaron has been running around, so yeah, but I hope you can answer questions. Yes? But the quizmaster is summarizing the meeting up by asking questions to the audience. Interacting with the audience. Yes? Okay. I will ask some questions. The first question is, did you know the title of Vide's speech? The last title. He also, it was open space, but what was the last title? Vide can't say, but what was the last piece of his title? 1 point for yes. Open source rebellion. Yes. One question. Do you think Vide is a rebellion? Yeah. But
It's not from me though.
I
yeah.
didn't see.
But one thing, what
But
you
what
should
does this
do
mean?
next time you're holding a speech when you're doing a rebellion or something like that. Do you know, last time when I hold a speech, what did I do?
I can't remember.
I had a
Yeah, the podcast. Yeah,
I had a crown. It was, I talked about myself. My name is crowned, the Lasse crown. Yes, so I used it. I fixed the crown for myself and held the speech. So Vide, when you're holding a rebellion speech, you should use a rebellion around your head. Yeah? Try that. That would be a challenge for you.
Yeah, that's
okay.
great feedback. I should stick to the topic.
Yeah, precisely. Yeah, but yeah. And then what was your thing's excellent word of the day? Share. Yeah. But 1 point for you also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Minus one. Yeah, your thing. Yeah. Okay. Lasse's speech had four parts in it. Do you remember the picture I showed you? Yeah. What was the parts I showed?
Teams and word vision.
Vision, AI, teams and
a smile.
Yeah. Good. You didn't like the smile, but I think my smile was very creative. Yeah. Didn't you like it, Amanda? Wasn't this very creative? I'm a graphical designer. Isn't this yeah? Yeah, precisely. Yeah, 1 extra point for you. Yeah. Yeah, precisely. Yeah. And the third speaker, I now must read. Can somebody tell me what was the title of Chen's speech? And what was the... No, not read. Can you tell me what was the title of Chen's speech?
Something with backdoor.
Was it back? It was a backdoor, yeah?
The server,
no, I know.
No, that's not it.
XJ utils
like backdoor in
vulnerability of SSH.
In Windows, yeah, it was something difficult, but yeah, great speech, Chen, yeah, but okay. And notice we had a very long table topic session, but it was very good because everyone came to get a speech. So it was a very good table topic speech. But I will ask some questions about the table topic speech. One person was a politician. Who was that?
Really?
Elias, yeah. Great.
It's not you.
No, I'm like that one who
Oh,
tries to
oh,
convince. Yes.
No, but Elias was a great politician. He was really fired up. Yeah, okay. Two people were innovators. Who were they?
Philippe and Chen.
No, me.
No.
Oh, Philippe and Amanda.
Yeah, great. And Aaron, what was his purpose with the speech? Do you remember what you spoke about?
I remember.
Yeah?
If everything in the world is open source.
What is the opportunity and the challenge?
Yeah.
Great.
Half point.
Half point each, yeah. Okay. And we had 6 evaluators, 5 evaluators. Yes. But nobody did one thing. Do you know, in an evaluation, you should tell people what they have done good, what they have done bad, and then great. You should also give the speaker a challenge. Remember that the next time. You should challenge the speaker. Like I challenged Vide to wear be a rebellion, to be the speaker next time, yeah? Remember that. So you should use the challenge card when you are the evaluator. And who's the winner?
Me, I guess.
No.
What?
You
What?
haven't asked
What?
to answer the
What?
question.
It's clearly me.
No.
It's clearly me.
The
What
winner
the fuck?
was Paulina.
I answered all of them.
The award winner tonight, the enthusiastic award winner tonight was Paulina. Congrats. Congrats. Vide, you can take the floor. Welcome.
Thank you for a great quiz mastering, and congratulations, Paulina. I'm glad someone else won this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a great evening. We had some errors, trial and error. I think this is a great format to host a meeting, so we might be trying to set it up. I don't know. Actually, we didn't do anything wrong, I guess. Like, we had it working yesterday, and then today it magically didn't work. So we shouldn't be too hard on ourselves. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so some kind of hardness we need. Yeah, that's great. And I guess that's it for this meeting. So
no. Paulina should promote the next meeting. She's the Toastmaster.
And after that, let's take a picture.
Yes, thank you, Soleil. That's great. And I want to thank everybody for being part of the Toastmasters role this evening. I couldn't handle it without you, so thank you everybody. You all been the
For
Toastmaster.
setting this up as well.
Yep.
So for next week, 9th of May, 2 weeks from now, I will be the Toastmaster, and our theme will be Rise and Shine.
Yes.
And I'm going to promote our new podcast by Linköping Toastmasters and give you a little bit of the glimpse about the podcast. And in that meeting, we will have 3 or 4 prepared speech. And yeah, it's gonna be super fun. So hope everyone will join. Thank you.
Yay. Please, everyone on the camera so that we can take a picture.
Yes, which camera?
Which camera?
This is... Okay.
Where do we stand?
Tell me what to
Yes,
do. Tell me what to do.
Very good. One second, yeah. Okay. Everyone smile.
Smile. Yeah.
2, 3. Once more, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Very good. Thank you, everyone.
I don't know. I was looking at the screen.
Yeah, I'm pretty sorry.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Yes, look over there.
But
Yes,
I looked at the
once more. 1, 3. Okay, very good. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Aaron and Amanda.
Yeah,
if I
is that
get your
it?
email,
Are-
you can get an invitation.
Thank you. Ah,
if
she
you-
left.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Did you understand anything?
Wow, you're quick.
Give a good speech.
Yeah. Thanks.
It was improvised.
Great job, great job.
Yeah. Bra. Bra. Great.
Great job, Amanda.
Do you have a car? Yeah, thank you.
You say you were doing a podcast then as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Where do you do your podcast?
Online.
Uh,
Actually, we tried in here,
Yeah.
but we need to have what is it called?
SD card.
Yeah.
But you don't have an SD card, you mean? Okay.
And we don't know how to edit with that SD card. We need to buy an SD card adapter or something. I have like a plug-in. Yeah, but it's easier to do it at home because when we do our podcast, we interview like Soler.
Yeah, but we are having yeah.
Podcast, so it was online.
Yeah.
We came here actually in Tryon and we see that they require SD card.
I see. Okay.
But
But if you had an SD card, I could help you with it as
Yeah.
well. So it's like
But that means this podcast location is not meant to be for live, right?
live, no.
No.
I mean, you're supposed to record a podcast and then you can transfer the audio files onto your laptop, and then you can like edit it with like say GarageBand or something like Audacity. But yeah, for live, no. But we have had live podcasts here.
Here.
Yeah, we had one. It was like a live podcast that they did. That was like with the.
Maybe when we have a bigger audience, then we
Yeah.
need to interview and then we can conduct like some kind of conference at the same time. Yes,
Because
we
you
will
had
think about it.
you had an audience here, and then you had like the pod, and then you had like extremes as well. So
Yeah,
you had
yeah,
like
yeah.
all the different.
Yes,
Sure.
maybe for
Sure.
the future.
Thank you.
Yes, we'll keep that in mind.
turn it
Thank you.
But if you need any help with the
Yes,
pod
thank you
stuff
so
like
much.
that,
Thank you so much for helping. even today.
Yeah, no worries.
Will you have the next event here as well at Goto 10?
We haven't planned. But
No,
we
no,
will
not
plan.
not the 9th, but eventually even more. Yeah,
Yeah, we will.
But
Yeah,
it's fun.
you can have more stuff.
Yeah.
Do you
Yes.
feel like before a lot? Like you are like you have been here for very long.
So you said you
I have
you
been
buy
at
okay.
Goto 10, if that's what you mean.
What's this?
I couldn't say. So this means it meant to be for the whole picture. This
Yeah.
is end, is it?
I mean,